Obviously, we know that we're in the middle of dealing with a pandemic. It's affected our businesses, it's affected our client contacts, it's kept us at home. But fortunately, realtors are considered essential, and there are still folks that are meeting people face to face. But the first thing I want to address is the form that the Indiana Association of Realtors has put out as a way to modify your purchase agreement in case your transaction gets delayed because of the coronavirus and the stay-at-home orders. This one is the amendment they actually put out. Notice they even say it's an addendum / an amendment. That way, if you already have an accepted offer and you want to add this language, it's an addendum. If you want to submit it when you first start making your offer, then it would be an amendment. The one thing that I want to point out is it tells you that you have 30 days to extend your closing 10 days at a time. And then, according to this paragraph, and I'll make it a little bit bigger if I can. It's a little bit too big, there we go. Upon expiration of those automatic extensions, the deal goes away and the earnest money automatically goes to the buyer, okay? I have a little bit of a concern with that if I'm representing the seller. What if the buyer has contributed to the delay in ways other than COVID, and they really don't deserve their earnest money back? I would not want to sign that as an amendment or an addendum. Okay? So what I suggest, and frankly, you have to talk to your managing broker before you use this alternative language, okay? The prior language said expiration of the extension, either party may terminate and the buyer gets the money back. I suggest for representing a seller, you should say after the extension, parties may continue to negotiate or they may terminate the agreement by executing a mutual release. That way, frankly, it works for either party because the mutual release concept would still be in place and we don't know ahead of time where the money's going. So again, ask your managing brokers, but if you represent a seller, I don't really like that. This way makes it neutral.